Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week, and welcome to this new video on ENS, which I had to make. Historically, these videos actually don't get a lot of views, but ENS has been ridiculously strong. So just wanted to give you my thoughts on it. We'll talk about the price, we'll talk about what's going on, why is it this bullish, so you can actually spot it the next time. And then we'll talk about the price right now. Can we actually rally up higher? Are we going to stop at this major resistance level we have right here? What are some potential price targets? What are some potential pullback targets? Everything you need to know. All right, so let's get right into it. Fun story in the Signal group, which I have, in which I post all of my trades. We actually bought ENS at $18 2 weeks back or so. So that hit a 2x overnight. Amazing trade. If you actually want trades like that, consider joining. Not every trade is like that, of course, but we are very profitable. So check that out. For now, let's talk about ENS. In general, it just was the perfect storm for ENS, all right? As some of you might know, ENS historically can be very, very bullish, as you can see here as well. Last year, December, we were actually trading at $8. In the matter of in the matter of a month, we went up to 27. That was a 3x. So ENS in general is this crypto that can actually rally a lot. Outside of that, it's a solid project. All right, they're in general, this is one of the most used products out there. They have a massive treasury. They have a lot of money back up, and a lot of great players are supporting their project as well. And then yesterday, Ethereum broke out. All right, so Ethereum started to outperform Bitcoin. That pulled up all the Ethereum beta coins. So that also, that combination, I think, is what caused ENS to be very bullish here. So that is what happened. But then the big question is, well, first of all, I think as long as we're able to hold this breakout right here between $26 and $30, I think ENS is going to go much, much higher. All right, I think we're going for $50 at least. It is necessary that we actually hold the breakout here, because you can see one of the main levels we actually broke above is this level right here between $27.5 and $30. Was a very strong resistance level for the entire year. Now on the daily time frame, we've broken above that. If we hold that breakout, I think this is a great entry to get in again, 27.5. All right, for spot at least, I would say. Those are my thoughts. But I will probably enter there. So in general, the breakout here is amazing. This is the daily time frame, just to show you we have broken out on the daily. But then there is this resistance level here at $38 and $40. And that's quite a strong level as well. As you can see, I don't think we can break above that. I think we can spike higher, but I don't think we get a sustained breakout above that. What you can see right now is that ENS, it's still gaining momentum here. But there are some bearish divergences. For example, if you look at the RSI and the price, arguably that's a bearish divergence. In general, I think the markets today look a little bit weaker than the markets yesterday. Markets yesterday had much more room to actually grow. Ethereum had much more room to grow. And outside of that, like everything at the moment, it's a bit of a difficult situation, because at the moment everything still looks fine for ENS. So what I would say is most likely is also that on the short term we'll still remain bullish, and that we will still spike up towards $37, $38, $39, $40. But to break above that, I think the volume and I think the momentum are stalling too much. So what you basically need is much more volume, much more momentum to actually break out. And I don't think, with the way that the volume is developing right now, I don't think we'll see enough volume to actually do that. Is it possible? Sure. Do I think it's most likely? No. So I would say it's most likely that we'll do something like this, spike up, maybe consolidate up here, but then go for the top of the previous range again, around 30 and 27.5. I think that's most likely. ENS is very, very dependent on what Ethereum does, and on a day like today, where a lot of coins are starting to correlate a little bit more, I just don't think it's the ideal moment to get a huge breakout like that after already having secured a huge bullish breakout overnight. Those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.